Hello students, today we are going to start with new prose titled Tiger Hills. Here, this is an extract from the book Kargil written by General V.P. Malik. In this extract, we come to know that the writer is speaking, or you can say describing the events in the minutest detail but without any emotions. Here, this is you can say an excellent example of report writing. And here you will also come to know that the person, the writer, was the army chief during Kargil war. So he has told us about the minutest detail about the Kargil war. Before we start with the prose, first see the icebreakers. Ajoy and Soy went watch a cricket match. Very much, but they missed friends Vinay and Sunay. Next day, when the four friends met, Ajoy reported how the players performed. Game ended. Sujoy told that to Sunay very much, and they were eager to tell them about the enjoyment. Now see here. Now complete the following sentences. Quoted. Now what did Ajoy say? How the game was played, how the players performed, and how the game ended. So while report, how will you write? You say that this strategy of the game, the performance of the players, and the way the game had ended. After that, Sujoy reported about, what did Sujoy tell? That Miss Vinay and Sunay very much. Their feelings, they were eager to tell them about the enjoyment. So while reporting, how will you say? Sujoy reported about the feelings of missing their other two friends, Vinay and Sunay, and also about their eagerness to tell them how much they enjoy a cricket match. After that, the word report means here two, or you can say alternatives are given. Give a spoken or written account of something, and cover an event or subject as a journalist or reporter. Now here report, we cannot only just say to event or subject as list or reporter, but it is exactly, you can say, to give a spoken or written account of something. Whatever the person, XYZ person had spoken, you give written account of that spoken words. That is known as what? Report. So here the first alternative A is correct one. After that, a standard dictionary and find out the meaning of the following words. Now here I will tell you the meaning of each and every word here now. Please listen to it attentively. Reportage. What does reporting mean? So here you can say reportage here means the reporting of news by the press and the broadcasting media. Again, the reporting of news by the press and the broadcasting media. After that, reporter employed to find out information about the news and dives for a newspaper in radio, you can say. Then reported speech. Reported speech means a speech tells you what one has said. And editorial here means or relating to a reporter. After that, now find and examples of related to given topics. Now award distribution. Now many schools, they conduct award function for their excelled academically or in the other field too, sports and all. Then you can say film award function is there, sports award function is there, national award function is there. So in all this film and national when award distribution is given, then the report is prepared, the newspaper or magazine. Bravery award. The award function mainly conducted on 26 January every year. Then the other, you can say, bravery award to the police in the Maharashtra is given on 1st of May. So for all, whenever the person something, you can say a way out what normal people do to save the life of people and all, for those people bravery awards are given. After that, any social issue. Now, the news reports on illiteracy, TV report on child labor, effects of disaster, child marriage, etc. All on these topics, when the report are written, it comes under social issues. After that, you might have read war stories or watched war movies. Make a list of the factors which make them interesting. Now this you have to do. You must have read for sure war stories and you must have also watched war movies. So what makes those war movies or stories interesting for you? That you have to mention here. Now just we'll just have a brief introduction about the writer here. General Ved Prakash Malik, PVSM or you can say AVSM, served as the 19th Chief of the Army Staff of Indian Army from the 30th September 1997 to 30th September 2000. Now, VP Malik, he was the Army Chief during the Kargil War and he is the recipient of Visishta Seva Mandal Medal and Ati Visishta Seva Medal and Raksha Medal. Now, Kargil, from the surprise to victory. Now, this book you can say is an account of the Kargil victory on 26 July 1999 by General VP Malik. He has written this book, Kargil, from surprise to victory here, and here this extract is also taken from this book only. It is the finest example of how to write a report. When you read this extract now, and if you get a chance, when you read the book Kargil from surprise to victory, you will really come to know how a person is supposed to write a report. Here you will come to know that he has described the event in the minutest detail, but without the slightest depiction of emotional involvement he had in it. Means here you will come to know, when you read, you will actually feel that how everything was going on during that Kargil war. Tiger Hills is an extract from the book Kargil written by General VP Malik. Let's start with the extract. Tiger Hills. Tiger Hill towers majestically above all other mountain tops in its vicinity. Vicinity means nearby. Although located almost 10 kilometers north of Srinagar-Kargil-Leh highway, the enemy position on this mountain top dominated parts of this highway. Means here he wants to say many of the you can say the enemies, they have taken position at this mountain top. After the recapture of the Tololing and the adjacent features, adjacent means what? Situated near, close to something. Means when they have recaptured Tololing and the places which were situated nearby it, evicting the enemy. Evicting means what? To remove somebody by force. So when they had recaptured it, they whatever the enemy's army was there, they had removed them, evicted them from that place. Enemy from the well fortified. Well fortified you means it is strengthened against attack. Means it was really very well guarded by the enemy, but still our army managed to remove them from that place. Position became a priority. Means this when they evicted the enemy from this place, so what happened? This place has become their priority. It was the, you can say, main place here. As the sharp triangular top of Tiger Hill was clearly visible from the highway and appeared almost impossible to capture, the media had projected the entire episode as a national challenge. Now what happened? What they are saying? The triangular top of Tiger Hills, the description of the Tiger Hill is given. It was triangular top, it means in shape, and it was clearly visible from the highway. And they're saying, he's saying here, VP Malik is saying it was almost impossible to capture it. And but that time what happened, because the mass media is very much advanced now, so here that time when the Kargil war was going on, the media, they had projected this entire episode on the national television, so everyone in the country were watching it. Brigadier MPS Bajwa, commander 192 Mountain Brigade, assigned the mission of capturing Tiger Hill to 18 grenadiers. Mission here means, you can say, a particular task which they were given the particular task of capturing Tiger Hill. Who were given? 18 grenadiers. Now who are grenadiers? Grenadiers, you can say, a person who is, you can say, expert in throwing a explosive device. So those people were given the task to capture the Tiger Hill. Now rested to recouped after their achievements at Tololing and Hum. Now rested and recoup means what? To make back after their achievements at Tololing and Hum, and to aid Sikh which was already deployed at its base. They were already there at the base of Tiger Hill. Both these units were assisted by a crack team. They were assisted by a crack team from the high altitude warfare school, with maximum possible artillery. Artillery, you can say, caliber guns, large cannons and all. Engineering and other combat support means whatever, you can say, when the weapons which were required at the time of battle, those all were provided to them. Throughout the last week of June 1999, 18 grenadiers probed to establish the extent of the enemy's defenses and to scout. To scout here, children, it means to look for or to hunt for. So here they are saying throughout the last week of June 1999, 18 grenadiers, they were trying to establish the extent of the enemy's defenses and to look for or to hunt for the suitable routes for the assault. Assault here means attack. They were trying to find out from where they could attack them. A simultaneous multi-directional assault emerged as the best strategy. Means they felt that it is not from the one route or from the one place they will attack the enemy, but they will come from all the direction. Multi-directional assault means multi-directional attack. They wanted to prefer in their strategy, in their plan. The commanding officer of 41 Field Regiment drew up an elaborate artillery fire plan. Means he tried to plan how they will try to use explosive for that purpose. Individual guns were ranged so as to cover each objective. They were given individual guns also. Bofors guns were used in a direct firing role. Once again, they used Bofors guns also with inspiring accuracy. Means they knew how to use it. On the day of the assault, means on the day of the attack, nearly 120 field and medium guns, 122 mm multi-barreled Garrett rocket launchers and mortars. Mortar here, you can say, short smooth bar guns, you can say here, rained death and destruction on the enemy at Tiger Hill. You see how from all the sources which they had, they used the way, and in a very multi-directional way they tried to attack the enemy. Means the enemy didn't had the way to come out to escape here. The Air Force too targeted Tiger Hill on 2-3 July and hit the bull's eye several times during its mission. Means they used also Air Force to attack the Tiger Hill where the enemy had dominated the places there, and they hit the bullseye. Bullseye means what? The target area several times. For the first time in India's military history, a TV channel covered the battle live, a sign of progress and transparency, not to mention the on-screen depiction of confidence. Means it was for the very first time in Indian military history that the TV channel was covering the battle live here. Everyone in the country could see it live in their home, and you can say it was a sign of progress and transparency technological development. With the help of technological development, we were able to, just by sitting at the home, we could see the war going on at the in the Kargil here. And it was also, not to mention, the on-screen depiction of confidence, means whether it is authentical or not, we were seeing it live, so we come to know what was going on there. The Tiger Hill feature extends about 2200 meters from west to east and about 1000 meters north to south. Means the you can say extent of Tiger Hill is given here. The main extension is towards the west, on which there are two prominent protrusions. Protrusions, you can say, a thing that extends from a place or from the surface, something that sticks out, it comes out. The first, approximately 500 meters west of Tiger Hill, had been named India Gate, and the second, Helmet, located under 300 meters away, approximately one company of 12 Northern Light Infantry, Pakistan, held the whole feature. Means some part of it was with India and some part they had in their hand. At 1900 hours, means 19th hour, on 13 July, 18 grenadiers commenced in multi-directional assault under the cover of bad weather and darkness. The weather was very bad and it was very dark, but still these 18 grenadiers, they commenced, means they came towards the, they came out, they tried to attack the enemy in multi-directional way from all the sides, supported by the firepower of artillery and mortars. Means they use the firepower, and it means explosive and guns and all for this purpose. A company captured an intermediate position called Tung by the 0130 hours on 4th July. Further advance along the southeastern spur leading to Tiger Hill top was stalled due to accurate fire by the enemy from India Gate, Helmet and top. Means they are saying the A company, they had captured the intermediate position which was called as Tung, and afterwards they are saying here the advance along the southern eastern spur is, means an area of high ground extending from mountain to hill, or hill here you can say. The Tiger Hill top was stalled, means it was stopped due to accurate firing by the enemy here from India Gate. Meanwhile, Captain Sachin Nimbalkar led the D company assault from the east. Means they were he told the Captain Sachin Nimbalkar, he told, or he leaded the D company's attack from the east. His company had to negotiate steep escarpment. Escarpment means what? A long steep slope at the edge of the plateau. Using mountaineering equipment, it was not easy to attack the enemy from that place, because that it was you can say a long steep slope. So here they had to use mountaineering equipment for the purpose also. And despite the darkness, the inclement weather, though it was dark there at that time, but still here you can say the climate was also one of the factor which made the work very difficult here. His approach took the enemy by surprise. The enemies were surprised that the climate is so bad, it is dark, it is not easy for the person to come here and attack us. It was very, you can say, slopey edge and all, but still the army managed to go there to attack the enemy, so they were taken by surprise. After some firefighting, D company was successful in occupying the eastern portion of area collar here. Means they, after firefighting, means they had a fight there using explosive and all, and finally the D company, which was led by Sachin Nimbalkar, Captain Sachin Nimbalkar, they were successful in occupying the eastern position area collar, which lay within 100 meters of Tiger Hill top. Means they were 100 meters down there. On another front, C company and Ghatak commando platoon under Lieutenant Balwant Singh also surprised the enemy, this time along the difficult northeastern spur, and obtained a two hole just 30 meters from the top. Means see, from all the directions they are attacking. Now D company, they are successful in attacking them from the eastern portion and they have captured it. Now they are seeing the C company and the Ghatak means Kapando platoon under Lieutenant Balwant Singh, they also surprised the enemy on the northeastern side here, and they also captured, see here, and obtained means they captured a 2 hole just 30 meters from the top. They were now just 30 meters from the top. At 4 hours on 14 July, after a carefully orchestrated here you can say planned, you can say the planned way, how they have planned. After a carefully orchestrated artillery bombardment, means how they have planned how to use their artillery, how to use the explosive on the enemy. Sachin Nimbalkar and Balwant Singh along with their men approached Tiger Hill top by climbing a sheer cliff and caught the enemy unawares. Means here they are saying on the 4th hour of 14 July, they very well planned to how to use artillery, explosive and all, and how they managed to reach the top of Tiger Hill and they surprised the enemy. They defeated them. After a spell of hand to hand, after a spell of hand to hand means here you can say after you can say a fight, hand to hand fight with the enemies, they succeeded in capturing the objective, means their main target. Although 18 grenadiers held the top now, linking up with them was not easy. Means though the 18 grenadiers were the top of Tiger Hill, but still to link with them, to be connected with them was not easy task now. When the initial surprise wore off, the enemy started gearing up for launching counter attack. Means when they were really come to know that they were attacked by our army, now they also started gearing up. The enemy tried to prepare themselves for the counter attack. One of the most difficult tasks during the course of a battle is to maintain one's hold on the ground captured. Means when the army is having a battle, the main thing after capturing the ground is to maintain its hold on it, because once the enemy's army they counter attack and they manage to drag you out, then it is of no use. So to maintain the ground, have control over it was the main task now after capturing it, before the next assault can be launched. Means before they attack for the second time. Throughout the next morning, artillery duels continued. Means they tried to use the you can say explosive and all, try to maintain their position in that place so that the army cannot come, the enemy's army cannot counter attack them. Casualties mounted on both the sides. The grenadiers hung on their precarious perch with grit and determination. Means they were trying to you can say try to control themselves. They tried to protect the land which they have occupied or which they have won here. And though they knew that the place where they are standing there, it is not safe, it is very dangerous for their life and all, but still with lot of grit and determination they managed not to go away from that place. Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav and his team members exhibited exceptional courage during this assault. Means the Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav and his team members, they really showed exceptional courage during this attack. I hope you have understood till here. I'll stop my lecture here. In the next lecture, we'll continue with the same. Thank you.